Hi, AGOS Summit participants. My name is Z, and I'm the Global Head of Data and Analytics for Supply Chains in Shell. And I'm really looking forward to meeting all of you in September for the AGOS GBS Summit, where I will be one of the speakers talking about the topic of AI implementation, lessons and key insights for a supply chain and procurement GBS. And the topic I'm going to be talking about covers, the difference between it's one thing to run a proof of concept for AI applications. It is quite another thing to actually take that POC and scale it up in a way that is reliable, is secure and safe, is cost effective, but ultimately in a way that delivers value back to the enterprise. So looking forward to meeting all of you in person at the summit. Now, I think about artificial intelligence, and there is just so much hype. But what I think will really be apparent in the coming years is there's going to be a drive for more automation. And I think what makes me think this is even today in my organization, robotic process automation, RPA, is already something that we are doing as more or less a normal practice. The step change that AI is really going to provide is you're going to go from rule-based automation to kind of automation that can infer the logic, a learning system. And I think this is going to change things in a great way, where we need to sort of be ready for that. Number two, I think that there's something here around the human in the loop. And what I mean by that is I talked about automation. I think it's also equally important that there will be things that still need human intervention. I think that as much as people say AI is going to take away all jobs, I think it's a case where the human AI partnership is going to be key. And this goes back to not AI, but actually if you think about people, process, technology, it's the people part that matters, your people in the process. So what kind of process discipline do you have in your organization? And how do you make use of AI in partnership with the human intelligence that you have in your organization? Third bit is really around the customized user experiences. I think what AI will really do different in the GBS is there will be an expectation from internally and externally. So these are your internal stakeholders, employees, but also external stakeholders like customers, or in my case, suppliers and vendors, that you have tailored experiences. How do you register yourself as a vendor? How do you engage me as a customer? And I think GBSs can really leverage AI to provide these customized experiences. Now, the fourth and final thing is really, for all these that I've just described, you're going to need better talent management. And I think this is the part that's going to be tricky because as leaders in GBS organizations, we need to find a way to encourage experimentation and innovation, because all this stuff is new. And I'd be lying if I said that my organization has it perfect. And I think this is just something that is an evolving picture. Looking forward to meeting people and networking. Like I said, this whole piece around AI is not just about the technology, it's about people. And I think that nothing beats face-to-face interaction and the networking opportunities to learn and share with others. So I'm really looking forward to hearing ideas, best practices from other organizations, other industries, and figuring out how I can take that back to my own home organization and do something with that.